Want to be up to date with the news on
finance,
fashion,
society,
science,
sports.
Look no further with the award-winning news presenter Tim Tullamore at Nesting News.
Good evening. This is Nesting News on Channel 1, and I am the addictive chocolate pudding that brings you here every week, Tim Tullamore. Today will be a quick one. Nevertheless, we will look into the global development of crypto industry, XETA or XA, lucrative eyeballs and more. Kicking off with BTC, which currently trades around $29,500. It has, indeed, lost some of its strength that was previously injected by XRP's intermediate victory over the salty embarrassed clowns, or the SEC for short. In fact, after the dust settled, all crypto has moved lower as the macro market conditions remain unchanged for the most part. As for the XRP's rally, it too has somewhat run out of gas, and the XRP coin is now trading at 69 cents. Moreover, as many experts point out, it is likely that the SEC will continue to pressure other cryptocurrencies like ADA, Matic and Polygon, as well as it might appeal the current court ruling and even attack Ripple Labs on a separate case. Unfortunately, as we previously mentioned, the recent injection of crypto optimism is temporary in nature, and unless we see greater changes on the horizon, it is unlikely for the cryptos to move higher. What changes, you ask? Firing Gensler and restructuring the SEC would be a good starting point. Now, moving on our regular topic maker, namely Elon Musk. If you haven't noticed, the legendary blue bird of Twitter has been thrown from cliff just to be replaced by an exquisitely designed letter X. So, what do we say now? XETA? XTA? I posted an X. Will be a fascinating experiment to see if the society would easily forgo the terms that got imprinted over the years of Twitter usage. In any case, Xander Cage Musk clearly has bigger plans than simply memeing the heck out of the social network and flexing his money. He has already stated that if everything is done correctly, that XTA, God that feels weird, is going to be a huge part of the global financial system. For those confused, let me explain. It is not just about rumors that the new Twitter will have dating app and job hunting functionality. Twitter payment require licenses from multiple US states to conduct crypto transactions. Also, to remind, eToro, a huge multi-asset financial platform, had signed a partnership agreement with Twitter months ago. The parcel is seemingly coming together. Moreover, Dogecoin is speculated by many to be one of the main payment methods on XETA, which explains the sudden 10% surge in Dogecoin's price. Switching from one global thing to another, a phenomenon in the shadows, WorldCoin. Sounds like another meme coin name, doesn't it? Well, in fact, it revolves around a very serious idea of digital IDs for everyone. Sam Altman, and yes, it is his actual last name, not a crypto nickname, who is the chief of OpenAI, has led the WorldCoin project. It aims to provide humans with unique digital IDs through the use of biometric retina scanners called the orbs. The team points out that such a unique approach to IDs is crucial given the rise of artificial intelligence presence on the internet. So issuing eyeball-based IDs aims to verify the user not being a bot. However, while agreeing that this system of proof of personhood which WorldCoin offers is valuable to solving anti-spam and anti-concentration of power problems, many additional problems arise, such as data privacy, technological availability of the orbs, and even the increasing AI complexity. Moreover, there already was a scandal about a year ago, which involved retina brokers in Africa buying eyeball scans for a bounty. While strong arguments and concerns are expressed against the WorldCoin project, including the recent criticism by Vitalik Buterin, the project itself is doing sound financially speaking, as it has a fully diluted market cap over $20 billion now, the sound-performing Cardano and Solana. Regardless, the aforementioned issues would need to be addressed by the creators if they are looking to have global adoption. This actually got me thinking, Do you think it's a coincidence that aliens are rumored to use anal probing? No, hear me out. Perhaps, being more advanced species, aliens have already tried the TIA scans and opted for a more confidential verification method. In the end, you are not likely to flash the component of your digital ID in public, point it in your phone's camera, or press against a smart home entrance system. Anyway, finishing on a funny note, that will be all for tonight. It was Nesting News on Channel 1, presented by Tim Tullamore. Keep your privates private and good night.